Undead planets, the unusual conditions of the first exoplanet detection. The first ever exoplanets were discovered 30 years ago around a rapidly rotating star, called a pulsar. Now, astronomers have revealed that these planets may be incredibly rare. The processes that cause planets to form and survive around pulsars are currently unknown. A survey of 800 pulsars, followed by the Jodrell Bank Observatory over the last 50 years, has revealed that this first detected exoplanet system may be extraordinarily uncommon. Less than 0.5% of all known pulsars could host Earth-mass planets. Okay, then what is pulsar? Pulsars are a type of neutron star, the densest stars in the universe. Born during powerful explosions at the end of a typical star's life. They are exceptionally stable, rapidly rotating, and have incredibly strong magnetic fields. Pulsars emit beams of bright radio emission from their magnetic poles that appear to pulse as the star rotates. Pulsars produce signals which sweep the Earth every time they rotate, similarly to a cosmic lighthouse. These signals can then be picked up by radio telescopes and turned into a lot of amazing science. The first exoplanet. A pulsar called PSRB 1257+12 was the first ever exoplanets were discovered in 1992. The planetary system is now known to host at least 3 planets similar in mass to the rocky planets in our solar system. Since then, a handful of pulsars have been found to host planets. However, the extremely violent conditions surrounding the births and lives of pulsars make normal planet formation unlikely. Many of these detected planets are exotic objects unlike those we know in our solar system. A team of astronomers at the University of Manchester performed the largest search for planets orbiting pulsars to date. In particular, the team looked for signals that indicate the presence of planetary companions with masses up to 100 times that of the Earth. What is the orbital time? Of the 10 potential detections, the most promising is the system PSR J 2007+3120 with the possibility of hosting at least 2 planets. With masses a few times bigger than the Earth and orbital periods of 1.9 and 3.6 years. Orbital time periods between 20 days and 17 years. The results of the work indicate no bias for particular planet masses or orbital periods in pulsar systems. However, the results do yield information of the shape of these planets' orbits. In contrast to the near-circular orbits found in our solar system, these planets would orbit their stars on highly elliptical paths. This indicates that the formation process for pulsar planet systems is vastly different than traditional star-planet systems. Pulsars are incredibly interesting and exotic objects. Exactly 30 years ago, the first extrasolar planets were discovered around a pulsar. We are yet to understand how these planets can form and survive in such extreme conditions. Finding out how common these are, and what they look like is a crucial step towards this.